Certainly the most well-known aspects of intellectual property, the ones everybody's heard of course, are patents. I'm a patent guy. I'm proud to be a patent guy. I get up in the morning and I get to work on inventions for great companies doing some really interesting things in the telecommunications area. I do some work in manufacturing, mechanical engineering, and the like, and I secure patents for these companies. Well, certainly patents are new and useful articles of manufacture, methods, processes, and the like, and I'm sure everybody's familiar with that. Copyright, another really important aspect to intellectual property, and some of the teams that have been hearing their updates, certainly copyright is very, very important. You know, there we protect literary, dramatic, musical works. Again, I have this great job. So one of my jobs is when the Bank of Canada comes out with a new banknote, and I'm sure you've seen that we're coming out with a new $10 bill. The Bank of Canada is coming out with a new $10 bill to commemorate Canada's 150th anniversary. Whenever the Bank of Canada comes out with a new banknote, I get a phone call and I get asked to do copyright clearance because they want to put images, pictures of people, scenes, and the like on those bills, including the ones that are in your wallet right now. It's just a great job because I get to go down to the Bank of Canada. There's a vault. They let me inside. I get to see what an early design of the bill is, and I start to talk about clearance of copyright issues. So copyright's an incredibly important and fundamental aspect of the intellectual property strategy of any company. Trademarks, really, really important. There we're talking about phrases, symbols, designs that connect in the minds of a consumer the source of the goods connect the mark to the source of the goods. Why is it when you're driving down the 401 late at night and you're a little tired, you figure you're not going to make it to Toronto, you see that sign off the highway, maybe a Holiday Inn, a Quality Inn, a Best Western, a Marriott, and it connects in your mind exactly what you can expect as far as the source of the particular service. You get off the highway and you make your choice based on your expectations. So a trademark can be an incredibly valuable connector between the consumer, the potential consumer, and the purveyor of the product or service. Designs. Well, designs protect the look and feel of articles, and certainly in the smartphone industry, the design protection is incredibly important. I'm sure you've heard about the significant litigation between Apple and Samsung in connection with design patents pertaining to the iPhone and the Samsung Galaxy series of smartphones, and certainly that's an example where Apple is enforcing its rights against Samsung to prevent Samsung from allegedly taking advantage of the design protection that Apple has in its smartphones. Trade secrets. Again, an incredibly important aspect to any intellectual property strategy. You don't have to register your intellectual property. It isn't essential. You can keep it a secret. So trade secrets have a very, very broad definition. You need to be thinking about any sort of commercial advantage for an enterprise. So it could be your customer lists, your prospective customers, the sales that you're going to make, your manufacturing processes, all sorts of things. But trade secret protection is only valuable if you keep it a secret. So here you go. I'm going to share with you something right here. Be very careful with your trade secrets because they could go out into the public domain. What are we looking at here? Well, this is the recipe book, apparently, that was shown in about the 1920s in Atlanta to a very secret formula. It was shown to the Atlanta Hartfield Constitution, the newspaper in Atlanta, of a very secret formula. A photograph was taken. The photograph was put in the archives in the vault of the newspaper, and then it was unearthed about 5-6 years ago, again according to the internet, and published. That is the recipe for Coca Cola. There it is. I know it's a little difficult to read, but I'm happy to show you the photograph, and you can go out. Make your own cola product, and you'll have absolutely no difficulty, and Coca-Cola couldn't stop you because they didn't protect their trade secret. Now, of course, you can't call it Coca-Cola because that infringes their registered trademark. But as far as producing your own cola product, using that particular recipe, no problem. So if you're going to go down the route of protecting your intellectual property by way of trade secrets, keep it a secret. It's only a trade secret is only as valuable as long as it's kept a secret.
Hi, I'm Amber Mack, and if you like this video, click to subscribe to the Breakout Project channel to watch more videos just like this one.